Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to block specific contact on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Here we've got the three dots icon, so let's tap on it and choose the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. Now it is obviously empty, so in order to add a number to our blacklist, just tap on add a number right here, tap on phone number, and as you can see now we can manually type the number we want to block. Tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, so it means that your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. So it's quite useful, and if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. Now let me show you how to remove a number from a blacklist. Nothing easier actually, just find the number you want to unblock and tap on this X button right next to it. Click on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so it means that from now on you will be able to receive all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.